into the more difficult ones, I think they'll be able to push in a bit further. Not too far, you know. The point is still to be ridiculously overpowered and just show how crazy something can become. But yeah. And by the way, I recently did a video on the on the new weapon, and I tried to win a game on Mad Force only with that weapon. And I was more than surprised because even with 290% curse, yeah, I managed to win, believe it or not. So if you want to check it out, it's linked in the info card. Since for me that was actually quite surprising. I was sure the weapon would lose because it has a lot of issues, but no, it was relatively easy. Okay, manager. Oh, this is not good. So the problem with manager is it will become so big that it just pushes away all the enemies to the off-screen area. And then they respawn, and you will no longer get any kills on them. But let's hope that doesn't happen. Pentagram? No, not yet. And no more curse. Loot Tracer, sure. Labora. Ooh. How big will Labora be, I wonder? Well, let me check that out. And let me get the chest here. Nice, thank you. Oh, that's Arcana. Yeah, please be the area one. Okay, I have a problem. I think I have to take the speed one here because I only have 3 rerolls. And if the area one is on the last page, I can't guarantee to get the speed one on the next Arcana. It's unlikely that it would fail, but I don't want to gamble on it. So yeah, this is now the speed Arcana. Do you see now? Do you see now why I didn't want to have that? Do you see that now? Even with the nerf Loot Tracer trail that is supposedly more transparent, it still has this other line that you can see here that is not transparent. And I couldn't find it, but it's not in the visual files. Don't ask me where's it. Oh, I know Vespers, sure, that is a dangerous one as well. That just keeps pushing away the enemies. Firachi, oh that's a good one. I mean, I did lose a revive, right? So it's not as good as it would be, but it's fine. Oh my god. That is beautiful. That is just straight up good. Can you imagine how crazy corruption will be in the future? Once we have a ton of speed and the speed Arcana ramps up. Oh, this will be no joke. Penta chest. Thank you. Nice. Very good. Okay, I think I'll make my way over to the merchant. I'll just buy the rare weapons that are out of the way. Like every weapon that I buy is one less skill that I have to spend on them. And I'm actually not sure if we will reach the level requirement that we need. Because there are quite a few new weapons, right, in the patch. We have the new Vento Sacro, or what its name is. We have the then we have the gold thing, the one with 9 levels, you know. No, it is 9, yeah. And, wait, was it 8? But there are only 3 new things. 1 new item and 2 new weapons. No, that should be manageable. But I guess the problem is the stage is the problem, right? That you don't get a ton of experience. Yeah. Okay. So let's wait a moment and see what the cats are doing. Do you see that on the top left there's already a fight? Is there no one doing one right now? Oh, they're already maxed out. Yeah, there's one over there. Okay, to be fair, it's really hard to see. But imagine what the screen would look like if this wouldn't have happened. It would be abysmal. I mean, not that you can see that much. Oh no. Why am I adding so much? What? Wait, if I press tab, so you can notice you can press tab on the game, and it will, let's say you have 20 FPS, and the game will run on 60 FPS right now, then it will slow down the game by to 1/3 of the speed to get up there. So let's see how slow it goes. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is like, it's actually 3 seconds it takes for 1 second to pass. Oh no. Just imagine what will happen once the entire screen is flooded of enemies later. No. I just got this computer recently. Don't worry about this. Okay. How did I manage to miss the dude? These summons to the bottom right there. Now let me go down there. Wait, how is this even possible? How many rows do we have? 1, 2... I can't count this one. I need to count this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only. Oh no. Because there will be 11 plus 1. Not 12 in total, but it's 11 rows and then 1 more row and there's only 1 weapon in it. Okay, right? Yeah, oh, vicious hunger. Yeah, let's not take that. Whole heart, okay. What's this game? Until now, you very good. I think I'll max out the weapons first, maybe. Okay, yes, that is true. But yeah, I think I'll max out the weapons first. And those that have no significant effects. So switch is not significant, but something like Candy Lava Ball would be significant. Which I probably already maxed out. Okay, very good. Comprehensive Shattered Water. Stone Mask, very good. There is a easy one. The attack to your left, there we go. Now raise your decks. Get over.